What do famed master furniture craftsman and cabinet maker Thomas Day, the historic buildings of Heritage Square in Fayetteville, North Carolina, art gifted to a school in Warrenton, North Carolina by Kate Pendleton Arrington, a founder of the North Carolina Museum of Art, and the former home to members of the first family of Pepsi bottlers in Greenville, North Carolina, have in common? Mumford Restoration. For 40 years and more than 100 years of combined experience from third-generation craftsmen, Mumford Restoration of Raleigh has established a formidable reputation for the authentic and period-correct restoration of historic pieces from North Carolina, across the United States, and spanning the globe. A rifle owned by the grandson of President George Washington's youngest brother, Colonel Charles Washington. A late 1800s gentleman's walking cane that doubled as a cane gun. A single-shot flintlock from the Ottoman Empire. A grandfather clock designed and created by Walter Durfee, the father of the modern grandfather clock. And even a chandelier from a historic home that has been a set for several Hollywood productions. For 40 years, Mumford Restoration, a family business, has been restoring treasured family heirlooms, fine furniture, artwork, precious metals, and so much more, bringing memories to life with unsurpassed quality and expertise. Seriously, as we take authentic restoration, we believe it is of equal importance that there are highly skilled craftsmen and women that continue to provide authentic restoration and preservation expertise to the world. Bernard Mumford, owner and founder of Mumford Restoration, has a vision for the future to ensure that the fine art of antique and wood preservation doesn't become a lost art. That these skills, fundamental to our history and heritages, are passed on for generations to come, just as the pieces we restore are. Bernard created Mumford Restoration Apprenticeship to preserve the time-honored restoration practices of the past and to develop craftsmen of the future. While we are honored and beyond humbled to have been entrusted with the restoration and preservation of such important historic pieces, nothing compares to the joy and satisfaction of knowing that we made a difference in the life of a family.
You went through it with me, and it was just so easy because I knew you. And my husband is a distinguished alumni, and you were able to say those kinds of things that you couldn't get again. I got an award from the American Red Cross for 9/11 for my leadership. We took trains into the city. We were there. So
wow.
I was able to say those things that are really important to me and to my kids.
I immediately felt that I was dealing with someone who knew their stuff, who was calm, who was not taking advantage of the situation, was reliable, dependable. I mean, you introduced me to a level of workmanship, of artistry that I did not know.
We had several different appraisers look at them, and you were excited to come and actually look at them.
Yeah, I'm always excited to do that.
And you kind of identified with the provenance of the paintings. You know, Kate Arrington.
Well, thank you. That's very nice of you to say.
That it was there was a lot of personal experience with it, and prompt, and then we were just really happy with the outcome.
I started a business, and since then I have been fixing and repairing and learning about furniture, and that's why I'm still here. I am addicted to fixing stuff, and that's why all of us are here. They somehow have aligned with my obsession with fixing something.
From the mountains to the coast, families, art museums, and historic societies alike have trusted Mumford Restoration for 40 years as the gold standard for preserving history and family memories through the authentic restoration of sentimental furniture, heirlooms, and antiques with time-honored restoration practices that stand the test of time.